Welcome back to Awashan USA Tito Tatute. In this video, we will show you how they install our new windows from the company Window Nation. And before they start, we will show you our old windows. This is the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 windows. This is the living room and the other one is the master bedroom. And inside the house, this is the kitchen windows and the dining room windows. Bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. And this is the master bedroom. We have 3 windows plus the other one in the CR. And the living room, we have 3 windows. And they start working at 10 a.m. Let's find out how many hours they're going to install the 11 windows.
Screens have it latches up so but you can push this all the way up. But you can pull it up past it. You can put it up. Usually they'll lock them. They don't have to lock them. But if you can get them up and these stay up, you can push that down.
We're hoping for that.
Springtime, you'll get one. Even in the fall.
Because the thing ain't exactly cheap.
The new one.
That's nice. Put all this in. They fixed this piece. And then healed it all up. And then he covered all the shitty stuff at the and sealed it all in.
Oh wow. How about the other side now?
Did you see the other side? They were going to trim it off.
Oh, they still.
Yeah, he's still fixing it up. No shortage of stuff on there.
Packages now slow. Nobles come flying up. They're just not taking a walk.
Nobody can see you. No need the blind. Oh wow. That's cool. her work at exactly 4:30 p.m. Almost 8 hours na ginawa itong windows namin. Ang bilis ng pagkakagawa nila, di ba? Meron din ba sa atin dyan sa Pinas na mabilis gumawa ng mga bintana? Kasi dito napansin ko sa kanila, trabaho walang break time. Straight na gumagalaw talaga sila. Hindi sila umupo, talagang tutok sila sa pagtatrabaho. And there you go. This is the final product. Come and check the 11 new windows. So, what can you say about our new windows? Please comment down below, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe Awashin USA Tito Tatute for more videos.
She's just saying that, right?
That is lock.
Well, wait. So that if you have those out, nobody can get in the house. No matter how hard they do it, no matter what way they come, they can't go down. Right?
Yeah.
So you will just make sure.
That's lock.
Yeah. That's locked now.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. And thank you for watching.